I'm going to give you a little demonstration on how to add a discussion rubric to your course. So if you go to your left-hand side in my course and you click on discussions, and once you click on discussions, you can choose the different discussions you want to add a rubric to. So I'm going to go with the introduce yourself discussion, and we have an example set up for you. So you can see I already have two of my students, Sarah and Gina, have graciously agreed to add some discussions there for me and some posts. In the top right-hand corner, I would go to the three little dots and I would choose to add a rubric. Once I choose add a rubric, I want to find a rubric. And there are these rubrics already that my course has within it set up for it by my department. So I'm going to choose the discussion rubric my department has already created. To the right-hand side, you can see on the bottom, I have a quick little view of it. And then I can click on it to look at it further, or I could use this rubric. Once I look at the rubric, I want to use the edit button. And down in the bottom, you have some options when you choose that edit button. One of these that I like to use is to use this rubric for assignment grading. When I do that, I can update my rubric and I can see this is the types of things I want to use. I'm going to go ahead and choose to save it, and then we'll close it. Now to see how that looks for grading purposes, I can go and show you to Speed Grader. So if I click on the Speed Grader option there in the top little dots, the first one that comes up is Sarah's, and I have her first initial post. If it's time to grade, I can go to View Rubric over here on the right, and I'll move this so you can see it better. There we go. And then you can see she has done her initial post, but no replies to other students. So I would click on the box that says Initial Post Only. When I do that and I hit Save, and I had commented earlier, so I want to delete that one. And then I would come in here and comment, you need to add two replies to student posts for full credit. And then I would hit Save on the rubric, and it grades the 75 for me, and then I would hit Submit for my feedback. And then you can see how that would look for her, and then I can go to the next student. And the same for Gina, I would do View Rubric. I would choose the appropriate box. When I hit Save, it populates the grade in there for me. And it's a quick way to go ahead and grade things. And then of course you could add stamps or however you want to do your feedback for your students. So that's just a quick overview on how to do it that makes it nice and easy for you.